The Deluxe U-Clip Pet Clipper and Grooming Kit is ideal to clip, trim, and groom fine to medium animal hair and fur for dogs, cats, and other pets. Ideal for Yorkies, Cavaliers, Shih Tzus, Spaniels, Maltese, and other medium-duty pet fur clipping, trimming, and grooming of paws, face, ears, touch-ups, and light body clipping. Powerful speeds up to 7,200 strokes per minute make clipping quick and easy. This clipper provides substantial power and speed without producing additional heat or noise. This 16-piece kit offers a standard adjustable number 3015-10 blade and includes all the tools needed to clip, trim, and groom your pet. Measures 6.5 by 2 inches and weighs 1 pound. The clipper and blade are made in the USA of domestic and imported parts. Deluxe U-Clip. Single-speed clipper. Wahl's Deluxe U-Clip, medium-duty home grooming kit contains everything you need to complete a professional-style clip from the comfort of your own home. Perfect for touch-ups between groomer visits, the Deluxe U-Clip is great for clipping paws, faces, and finishing touches, even light body clipping, making clipping at home more convenient and enjoyable than ever before. 8-foot cord. Up to 7,200 SPM. 16 ounces. Proudly made in the USA. Top reviews from the United States. Great product especially for the price. This is super great for simple trims on a dog like sanitary trims. It's also great for shaping the booty fluff of my Aussie, using the longest comb attachment. Just be sure not to go too short and cause razor burn.